Hey guys, it's November 4th, 2018. This is just gonna be a quick update of the garden. You can see most of the leaves are gone now, and I have all the bulbs out. Hasn't been really raining that much, so it's not wet on the bottom level. Yeah, but these are all the plants. They're all doing pretty well. The saffron is doing well, as you can see. And then the succulents. As you can see, the grapes are dying back now too. And right here, the artichoke is doing really well. Um, Rhubarb is dying back too. You can see the asparagus is dying back. It's all yellow now. The smaller ones are still green. The hydrangea, the leaves are kind of infected by powdery mildew, but the leaves are gonna fall pretty soon. And here we have more artichokes and some wildflowers. Here you can see some nice flowers. I'm surprised that they're still flowering, which is cool because sometimes I do see hummingbirds coming over to get some sugar from these flowers. And the saffron, as you can see, some of the stamen is gone, and those are because the slugs have actually been eating some of the flowers, and it's pretty bad actually. I can show you the harvest I did today. Right here, you can see some of them are kind of ruined. Those were damaged by slugs, like that one too. And for the indoor garden, mostly everything is pretty much the same. Succulents are all doing pretty well. This one is finally adapting to the new environment. This one is doing well too. Snake plant. Here we have the orchids. And then this flower is still here. The mini oncidium is gonna flower soon. Here we have more orchids, some other plants. They're all doing really well. And right here, this guy, you can see a tiny baby coming out from the side. Definitely a good sign. I'll keep an eye on it. Looks like snake plant baby. Spider plant and the staghorn fern. As you can see, this guy is actually doing really well. You can see that shield frond and lots of antler fronds. Wandering Jew, you can see it's getting really big. Here we have some other staghorn fern. It's still sending out new leaves, so that's a good sign. It's probably just gonna take a little bit for them to multiply. And for the hanging plant, you can see this orchid is sending out more roots, and it's looking really healthy. You can see this vine is getting super long. Spider plants still flowering, and there's a lot of seed pods and lots of spider plants babies. Pear plants, you can see this new growth over here. It's highly pigmented. I think it's because of the growth light I've installed. It's really helping them. And the older plants are dying now. You can see these guys are all gonna fade away pretty soon. And the new growth on top is gonna kind of take over. The pineapple, not too much. It's just growing really slowly, 'cause it's not really summer anymore. Ficus. And here we have more succulents. The snake plants, it's really growing really fast.